Hi guys, it's a lovely day outside here in Lysekloster, and well, the thing that you didn't know about me is that for 2 weeks I was sick, so I wasn't doing a lot of exercise, and I really missed running out like in the woods that I was doing for quite a while. And today is the first day I'm actually doing it. It's not raining, it's a pleasant weather. I don't know how strong am I after this sickness, but hopefully I can do at least 5 kilometers. We'll see. And on the way I will try to show you a little bit of this nice wood where I'm usually running. So excited, and let's go for a run. So here is the first sightseeing place. You've already noticed it on my channel, Lysekloster church. It doesn't work, but it looks pretty. And here we can see the Lysekloster monastery, the ruins of it. Looks really pretty in autumn. Let's go in and check what's inside. So this is the place where Lysekloster actually started with the monastery. Now it's being renovated, I guess. Usually I'm running past this place up there into these woods. This sign means that there is like active hunting happening. I hope nobody will hunt me. It's such a nice place to run. And it's quite hilly also, so it's challenging. And here's the view. I've been up there. It's quite a difficult climb. I actually have a video about that. I will put the link below. You can see the wood is really deep. And at this point, my road just goes up and up. And it's getting harder and harder. And I really miss this struggle, to be honest. Look how deep and beautiful and green it is. I really love the moss. It looks like there's some kind of blanket on the ground. And the fir trees are so big. Always amazed about the fact the trees are actually growing on cliffs. What do we have here? Place to sit and rest, but no. We are not tempted. We are running further with the views with me. And yes, you can hear water there. It's like a tiny waterfall. And after the rain, it's almost like flooding. It's so nice. Gotta run. But again, like, look at how big the trees are. It's simply amazing. Oh, I'm dizzy. Woo! This is the view I wanted to show you. The view to the Northern Sea. I love this place so much. And there, that's Lysekloster and Ole Bull's villa. I had a video about that. I will put it on the description if you by some kind of accident missed it. Yay! We actually did it. I finished and I actually appeared to be stronger than I was thinking I was, and I think that's a lot of because I was filming for you guys, because the thought that I'm making this video for you kind of pushed me further to make more beautiful like views, to make pictures and videos of the views, and it kind of pushed me. So thank you very much for sticking around with me in this run. And yeah, the result is actually quite amazing. It's 11 kilometers. I was thinking like not more than 5 or 6, so 11 kilometers, which is so great. And I'm very glad to be back after the sickness doing these outdoor runs, and I hope you're gonna stick around with me in my future videos. Who knows what I'm gonna make in my next video, and that's, I guess, the best surprise thing about my channel, that you never know what's gonna be the next video. And that being said, please make sure you have subscribed if you haven't. I'm looking at you, do it right now. And write down in comments if you like the views, if you like the video, push the like below the video, and I hope you have such a lovely and sunny day as I'm having here in Lysekloster near Bergen, and sending you lots of love. And I hope you stay healthy, I hope you stay strong, because strong is cool. Agree with me? See you next time.